Assalamualaikum, my dear KG students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. Children, in our last class, I taught you about our earth and our surrounding things. And in this class, I am going to teach you about sky and what things are stand in sky. Children, let's see. Look, sun. Where is the sun stands? Sun is at the sky, or sun is in the sky. So sun is sky thing. Moon, such as air. Look, there it's a baby like you flying a kite in the air. So air is a thing which is surrounded the air. Okay, children. Then this is aeroplane picture. You must have a question that aeroplane is how can an aeroplane is stands in the sky? No, children, aeroplane is not sky thing, but aeroplane obviously aeroplane can fly in the sky, and aeroplane move onto the sky. A kite can be fly in the sky with air, and like this balloon also fly in the air. Whenever in a balloon you put some gas and then flow it, then you see the balloon is go to the sky with gas. And then helicopter also fly in the sky, or helicopter move in the sky. Children, there are let me show you some things which are living and which are non-living. Look at the board, children. This is a mushroom. This is a living thing. And this is flower, also living thing. Zebra, dragonfly, fish, frog, crocodile, bird, tree, man, elephant, horse. All these things are living things, and these are non-living things. Non-living things means, do you know what is non-living things and living things? Living thing means which things, those things are take out breath, and eat food by preparing food or non-preparing food. These are living things can move from one place to another, such as frog can move one place to another. This is living things. That's why frog can move one place to another. Zebra can move one place to another. That's why zebra is living things. But tree is living things. Tree is also a living thing, but tree cannot move, but tree take breath and take out breath, and take food by and prepare its food on its leaf by take sun heat. Can you understand? Okay, I say again for you. Tree is living thing, but tree cannot move one place to another, only take breath and take out breath, and eat food by what? Tea made its food in its leaf by take sun heat. And tree is very essential thing for us. Tree leaves oxygen, which is very essential for our breath, and tree take carbon dioxide, which we take out from our breath. Without carbon dioxide, tree cannot make food, and without oxygen, we cannot live. So tree is very close to our breathing. Tree is very essential, very necessary for our breathing system, respiratory system. So these are all living things. Because why? I say again for you, these things are Without tree, all these things can move from one place to another, take breath, eat food. That's why these are and can grow. Smaller to higher or smaller to bigger can grow. These things can grow, and this is why these are living things, and these are non-living things. Why? These things cannot grow, cannot take breathing, cannot take out breathing, or these things cannot move from one place to another. That's why these things have no hand, no head, no leg to move their own. I say again, these things have not leg, not hand to move their own. They cannot move from one place to another in their own. So these are non-living things. Non-living things cannot eat, cannot move, cannot take out breath, take out breath, cannot. Okay, children? I think all of these things are understand to you. And let's see the next, children. These are some question and answer for you, children, in this class. Write 5 examples of natural things. In your copy you have to memorize and write. The natural things are sun, moon, tree, air, etc. 4 are enough for you. And write 5 examples of man-made things. Aeroplane, kite, balloon, building, helicopter, house. These are man-made things. You can say. Okay, children. So I think all this in this class you can understand the lesson very easily, and I am right for you. The HW is chapter 23. Chapter 23, question answer. These 2 question and answer you have to write in your copy, and obviously you must have to memorize first, then write, and we will submit. And I hope in your previous lessons you submitted, and this will also submitted by you, and I will check for you and give some remarks. Goodbye for children. Goodbye for today.